Good morning everyone, welcome to Morning Markets on the 6th of February. To continue the trend that we've seen during the week, we saw markets continue to improve overnight. Indeed, some markets in the US hit all-time highs, which just shows you how fickle the market can be in dealing with the coronavirus that we've seen through China and globally over the past number of weeks. Why was that? Well, we touched on some of that yesterday. Some of the economic data continue to speak to an improving trend or stabilisation at least. So we saw the European and the UK data yesterday morning. We saw the US ISM data survey evidence yesterday afternoon, which was positive. However, touching on that mixed economic view, we've seen Germany factory orders this morning come in very disappointingly, falling 2.6% month on month. Why is that interesting? Well, ultimately, orders translate into exports, and we know that the German economy is very dependent on exports. So that's something for us to continue to look at, but what it does speak to is the continued challenge of interpreting the hard economic data with the survey evidence that we're seeing that continues to suggest a recovery. Another factor that was positive for the US market yesterday was the strength in the ADP jobs report data, which showed that the US added 291,000 jobs versus 156 expected. Why is that important? That usually provides a very good lead indicator to the broader survey that we'll see tomorrow afternoon, which is the US labour data. That's important because we've touched on previously in our sessions that the consumer has been important for the US economy, so we'll get a real read tomorrow afternoon on earnings and unemployment data, two crucial trends for the continuation of the strength of the US consumer. On that, we'll come back to that tomorrow. I think the other thing that we want to come back to and look at maybe tomorrow or next week is some of the comments that we've seen out of earnings season from the US and European companies that give interesting trends as to how they've been impacted by the coronavirus, but also how they're thinking about the outlook for 2020. Thank you and hope to see you again tomorrow.